Hi there, I'm Rene and welcome to my dream boat project. Now you might be wondering, what is my dream boat project? I'm going to let you in on it. Okay, coming closer. I'm in my early 60s right now, and I've spent the last 35 years self-employed trying to build a small business that would give me the opportunity to spend time doing the things I want. And that's fishing, playing, goofing off, having fun. So now that I'm in my 60s, I'm starting the second half of my life. And I want to enjoy it. I've worked hard all my life to this point, and it's time for me to enjoy it. So I'm going to spend the next 10 years, my 60s, working, building 3 boats, small, medium, and large. And so when I get my large one done, my livable boat in my 70s, I can stop building boats and enjoying the boats, traveling the world, having a great time, and maybe even meeting a lot of you. That's my hopes. So let's go back to the beginning. Okay, I'm building 3 boats. First one I just finished building, probably a couple months ago, which was a 15-foot Eureka sailing canoe. It's a cross-rigging sailing canoe. And that's great because I'm going to be able to use it next summer while I'm in this present build, which is my Sea Strike 18 from Bowditch Designs. Beautiful boat. It's a deep V center console fishing boat. But that's going to take me probably until the end of next year. So let's see, that's 2021. So I'll use the cross-rig canoe to go fishing and having fun next year. And we're going to document that too. And you'll even see me ice fishing. We live in Maine. Ice. I don't wear the captain hat though, because we have to wear like really warm, look like Ewoks or Sasquatches. So anyways, when I get done building that, the end of next year, then comes the big one, okay? I'm getting pretty finalized on the plans, but I know what I want is a 40-foot or 40-foot plus electric catamaran. Okay, and that's what we're looking on, a liveaboard catamaran that I could travel the Great Loop, travel basically all the way around the world, meeting people along the way, having fun, enjoying what life has to offer, and retiring. Well, I'm self-employed. I'll probably still work on the boat. So in this process, I'd like to invite you to join my dream. And that brings me to, why should you subscribe? Well, there's some great reasons. Number 1, so we can learn from each other. Number 2, so you can watch my crazy antics as I learn from my successes and you learn from my blunders, and I make lots of them. And we also have lots of DIYs. So if you like little DIYs having to do with boating, we're going to be interviewing people. We're going to be doing live Zoom segments and a lot of product reviews, Q&As, and lots of other crazy things as I get creative and come up with them. But most of all, I want you to subscribe so we can become friends. Friends, come here, give me a hug. No, I'm not that. But anyway, so we could become friends. So when I'm ready to start traveling, I'll have fishing and traveling buddies to stop and visit along the way. But you supply the beer. Shh. She's not listening, okay? My first mate, she's on the other side. So go ahead and subscribe. And when you do, leave me a comment. Let me know who you are, if you're a boat builder, or what your goals are. And I'm going to try to mention the new subscribers in my upcoming videos, or at least I'll think about you in case I have too many to mention. But anyways, come join me in our dream boat community. Looking forward to meeting you, and happy sailing. Bye-bye now. And that brings me to, why should you, where's the camera? Camera's over there.